money this is the best PC you can get. The PC generally is aesthetically pleasing, with its vibrant colors on the case and how everything is sorted neatly inside. The PC runs smoothly and I can play every game on it, which is really good. Normally on PCs for this price you'd be limited to what you can play, but not on this. I have a lot of experience in computers and for the price, I don't think there is anything that can beat it. Key specifications: superfast 4.1 GHz Hex-Core Intel Core i5 9400F processor, plus 240GB solid-state drive plus 1TB hard drive plus 16GB of 3000MHz DDR4 RAM, memory, plus NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB, plus H310 motherboard, plus GameMax Diamond Black RGB case, plus Windows 10 installed.